Hey, donkey girl. Hey, donkey girl. What are we doing today?
We're at the airfield.
This is the RC Jet Jog. Oh, I just broke it.
You call it the wonky.
The wonky donkey. Wonky donkey, wonky donkey, wonky donkey. Look at that. Oh man, that wheel is turning bad. Look at that.
Looks like it's
Can you see that wheel?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we got Chicken Girl back on the camera again this morning for us, and this is gonna be a real fun episode. If y'all pay attention to social media and our Facebook page, you saw that we went ahead and glued the landing gear back on the Kingair. Now, I've heard a lot of people talking about JB Weld for fixing landing gear, so we used it, and we're gonna put it to the test. Chicken Girl, are you ready to put it to the test? All right, guys, let's do it.
Donkey girl. Donkey girl.
All
Look
right.
at the camera.
So, guys, this is it. We've rolled it out. We're gonna get it on the runway, and I guess it's time to see if the JB Weld is gonna hold. What do you think, Chicken Girl? Is it gonna hold? No one can see you shrugging in the camera. Is it gonna hold, Chicken Girl?
I don't know.
All right, we're gonna find out.
You can film the next flight. I got a ton of that.
How was that?
Okay. At least the landing gear hasn't fallen off yet.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Is it, I mean, am I doing good enough for you?
Mm-hmm. So maybe a little slower. Got the whole thing of that. I did get the sun. Got that one. And I just got your arm. That was a good one. Okay.
It's another slow, low pass, okay?
Can you do touch and goes?
Here we come. How was that? Did you get that?
Yeah.
That was awesome, huh?
Yeah.
Can
Can
we
you
do
do
that
touch
again?
and goes?
What?
Can you do a touch and go?
Oh, she's ready for the touch and goes, huh?
What are you doing?
Here, I'm gonna throw the other one now. All right, what do you think? We give them some entertainment now?
Mm-hmm. Touch
Okay.
and go times.
Let's come by and put the landing gear down. We'll see if they survived retraction, right? Donkey Girl, where are you? Okay, here we go. Putting the gear down. Okay, 3 green, no red. Okay, Donkey Girl is not in the runway.
She's back there playing with rocks.
Okay, putting the flaps approach. Flaps full coming in. Looking good. Control tower 89, are we cleared to land?
99.
Okay, here we come. First landing on the JB Weld landing gear.
Touch and go, Daddy. That's what you call it. Or are you landing? Ooh, ooh. That was so rough. I guess that was a touch and go.
Yeah, it was a touch and go. What did you think of that, chicken girl?
I liked it. Okay.
We'll try it again? Huh?
Okay. This time no take off after.
You don't want to touch and go again?
Landing.
Full stop?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we come.
I heard your thing beep.
Did it?
Mm-hmm. I'm like, beep.
I don't like this approach. I'm going to come back around. I'm going to do a low approach with flaps and gear.
Okay, there it is. You're going crazy.
Yeah, there's the 1 minute timer. This will be a full stop.
I thought it would be a full stop after one low pass.
All right, chicken girl, here we go. The moment of truth, a second landing. Will they hold and then give us another flight? What do you think?
You have 2 more flights.
I think it's pretty promising to me, huh?
Yeah, until it falls off in the taxi. Nope. It's holding together.
So, will we say that's a success, chicken girl?
Yep.
All right, guys, after that first flight, I want to show y'all, after those rough landings, it looks like we bent one of the wheels. Which one? It's this one right here. Yep, it's bent. So, I mean, I'm not sure if that's, it's a little bit, I don't know. I mean, we'll see. We'll fly it again. I'm not scared, are you?
Mm-mm.
We'll give it another shot. So, I don't know if you want to film it or not, chicken girl, but we'll definitely give it another shot for sure, right?
Yep.
All right. We went on to have 2 more flights after that. I guess we can consider this one as a draw. Yeah, it worked, but it still knocked it loose. Please, guys, get your families involved. Get new kids involved. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.